This is Frankie McDonald, my old TV station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Hurricane Joaquin is now headed towards Bermuda on Sunday, October the 4th, 2015. It's going to bring up to 50 plus millimeters of rain in Bermuda. It's going to bring very strong winds with heavy rain. There'll be big waves crashing on the shores in Bermuda, especially in Hamilton, Bermuda. It's going to bring very strong winds with wind-driven rain since Hurricane Joaquin is now heading northeast direction, and the Hurricane Joaquin's just shifted to the northeast direction, and the waters are very warm. And the Hurricane Joaquin is aiming towards Bermuda on Sunday, October the 4th, 2015. I want everybody in Bermuda to be prepared. Since the water is very warm, that can keep the Joaquin a hurricane strength in Bermuda. Winds are going to be pretty strong. It's going to bring heavy rain. Winds going to gust up to well over 100 kilometers per hour. It's going to bring wind-driven rain and sideways rain in Hamilton, Bermuda, and the surrounding areas as well. And entire Bermuda is going to get a hurricane. There will be big waves crashing on the shores and beaches in Bermuda as well. People in Bermuda, be prepared. Have your rubber boots ready for raincoats ready for raincoats ready. When you go outside, wear your rain gear, wear your rubber boots, wear your raincoat to keep you dry. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Buy cases of Pepsi, buy cases of Coke. Have your iPads charged, have your iPods charged, have your cell phones charged, have your laptops charged, have your tablets charged, have your 3G and 4G net ready. When a hurricane gets very bad, get inside of your house so you can be safe and stay away from the beaches and don't go near the shores. Make sure to have your flashlights, candles, crank up radio, extra batteries, generators, and battery operated lanterns ready. Make sure to buy bottled water for the Hurricane Joaquin. It's aiming towards Bermuda on Sunday, October the 4th, 2015. Make sure to stay away from the beaches and don't go near the shores. And may break down power lines and may snap the tree branches in half and may knock over transformers and telephone poles in Bermuda. And may snap the telephone poles in half as well. If anybody living in Bermuda, be prepared for Hurricane Joaquin on Sunday, October 4th, 2015. Best luck, yeah. People in Bermuda, be prepared for Hurricane Joaquin on Sunday, October 4th, 2015. Take care, stay safe. Don't get caught in a hurricane. Stay dry, be safe.